All right, folks, we're in West Virginia, baby.
What up?
Over here. Look at this. Oh, this is awesome.
Malden the hero. His second walk-off of the night. Bananas win 5-4.
All right, we're gonna give you a field reveal in about 10 seconds. Wow, this is so sick. Home of the Charleston Dirty Birds.
Yeah, there's another cat with the name Bridges around here somewhere. That's
Yo, Leroy, what do you think about this?
sweet, man.
This is so cool. Charleston, this is awesome already. Look at this. All right, we're walking in here. Locker room check. All right, all right. All right, all right, we made it now.
Welcome.
Look at this. Gee, buddy. That would be, I think that's my name. All right, we're here one day before our game. It's Thursday in Charleston, West Virginia. We're gonna take some ground balls on this turf. See that? Trying to get used to this turf. It's a little bit thicker than like normal turf, I feel like. We're gonna get some BP going out here on the field, try to hit some bombs, work on some trick plays, get ready for tomorrow. So here comes a few highlights. The ball's torch.
Bring it to me. Bring it to me.
He's still running.
He's still going.
He's still running.
Stay on him. Stay on him.
I just got.
Yes, sir. Oh,
I
Jesus.
just got. And he dropped it.
All right, so we're back at the hotel. Had some dinner, walked around, checked out the city a little bit. Now winded down, watching some TV. I'm actually editing the vlog right now that's coming out in a couple days on Sunday from Savannah. Right here, bada bing, bada boom. Finishing that up. In the morning, we're gonna wake up, get some good breakfast, get ready to play some baseball in Charleston, West Virginia against the Dirty Birds, baby. Party almost got the weekend off. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Super excited for this. Let's do the dang thing. Go Bananas, as always. Good morning, game day. Getting some good vibes this morning. We're about to go to the field. Get ready to rock and roll.
The lake is where I'm parked out by the lake. Yeah, it's 80 miles.
We're heading to the field right now. Time to whoop up on some people.
Yes.
Got the spread.
I love Qdoba so much.
I like it too.
Right.
And we got a new team that's joining us. Let's give a round of applause.
All right, we got a real monkey with us today, and he's right there. Look at that little monkey. What's its name? Benji. Benji? It's cute.
Everybody wait. Let's stay on this side.
Oh my gosh.
We can have everybody stay.
2, 3, clap, and once we get to the chorus, we do it. All right, super simple. That's
Keep on running.
Keep going!
Everybody else gets down on a knee, and everybody will present a ring to the player. We're gonna put the tripod up. You guys start going nuts, start singing the song, and start jumping around. And pretty simple.
To the ground and
all of you.
without a ring and said, marry me.
Yeah, exactly. Go nuts.
I can't wait to...
That's good.
Cool.
What?
Third one is gonna be tug of war. Third one's tug of war.
We have a rope?
Yep, we got the rope. Dalton, you're singing "Miss You, Love You" with your guitar. Come up, okay?
Let's have
So-
a pitch warmer.
Let's go ahead and
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
with "Man, I Feel Like a Woman." Let me teach it to you guys.
right, left,
Marry me, Juliet.
Never have to be alone.
Romeo.
I know a Romeo.
What do you mean by that?
to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Juliet, you'll never have to be alone.
Make it out alive.
Alright, we got some free time right now. Funny enough, I lost my Apple Watch yesterday, and as I'm walking around the field, it's like, oh, it's on you, and I'm looking. So I checked in this bag probably 15 times. I just found it in the dugout over there, but we got time now, so I'm gonna go check out the store. So let's go see what they got. Be cool. Oh. Oh, I thought he was real. This is cool. Oh, I love the colors. Okay, these are nice. The hats are cool. Wow. Very cool. All right, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Boom. It's pretty cool. 24 bucks. I might ask and see if I can make a deal. Say if we beat them tonight, can it be half off tomorrow? I'm not stealing, I'm just gonna look at this. Unless. Can we make a deal if we win tonight, everything's half off for us tomorrow, and if we lose, it's double tomorrow?
So I've literally been giving y'all already today our front office or player discounts.
Really?
Yeah.
Sensational.
Oh, well, scratch that.
I'm on that already for you guys.
Oh my gosh. Well, that changes things a bit. So now I'm getting Tanner a shirt. Alright, we're getting ready to play the banana ball game. Charleston is filling up right now. There's a ton of people here. There's still a line outside walking in, and it looks slammed to me. So it's gonna be shoulder to shoulder. We got people watching up top on the decks up there, on top of those buildings. Pretty nuts. Hold on, I'll show you.
Weirdest dance moves, and you're going to decide which one of them is going to be our.
I got new kicks on too. Look at these. Yep. Pretty hard. All right, we're doing a soccer mom race. We're halfway through that now. This is where they always fall at third base. All right, it's 3-1 Bananas in a 6th inning. Just gotta keep on putting some runs. Keep winning. We're gonna win this thing.
We love you so much, Banana Nation. Now let's go with this.
Look at the pitch. Look at the pitch. Hey, last inning. 4-2. Just gotta hold him right here.
Just gotta hold him, baby.
This game, baby. We
Yeah,
got
we're
6
coming
minutes
for
left.
him. Let's go.
We're finishing this game.
Let's go.
And Halsey's on the mound, so it's a wrap.
We're the.
Come on, Dan. See ya! Let's go! Attaboy! Bananas win, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Bananas win, baby! And that's how you do it right there. See you tomorrow, Charleston. Round 2. And we get to do it again tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Charleston. All right, vlog, what's up? It's day 2. We made it. Here's the walk up right here. Got the Celsius. Right now I'm listening to the new mix of Miss You Love You. I think it's the final, so should be getting this thing out pretty soon. So it's gonna be awesome. Yesterday we had a good win. That was so cool. Playing in front of all these people, getting a dub in front of the hometown team. Matt, what do you got on today? Anything?
I think it's gonna be another good game. Hopefully we get another 3 home runs.
Dude, yeah. Maybe 4.
4 from 4 different people.
I like that.
So everyone can get a home run. And 3 trick plays from Dalton Malton
Oh.
with a diving catch.
Okay. I can handle that. We can do that. Yeah.
Yeah, rocking it.
Oh yeah.
The 1975, or maybe just the ones that made you cry, babe.
You got it, Rick. Aggressive!
All right, couple things, guys. Great job last night. Energy was awesome. Really appreciate you guys putting in the work and continuing to push and try new things. It was a really fun night last night, and I think the fans, I mean, got multiple messages of people saying this is one of the biggest things that's come to Charleston, West Virginia in a long time. A lot of good stuff. Pre-game is going to stay relatively the same. Dalton, we have Miss You, Love You in pre-game today, so with the guitar, we'll make sure we check that, and then we'll go into royalty into warm-ups with Kevin James. Perfect. In-game stuff.
Excuse me?
What was that?
Kevin James.
Yeah. I only got 3 things to say.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought he was here.
That was so man. Hey, we're gonna run mini car again, so hit by pitch mini car. I've tested it a couple times. I know it's working, so watch it. Running in the bananas. This one is a shift. Everybody runs together, and then there's a wall right behind the mound. So you guys are gonna run in a straight line all together. Pitch thrown, then you guys are a wall. Then dad jokes.
Good.
Dad jokes. Dalton, I just want to run, won't back down, just in case. If you come up again tonight, we'll run that as your walk up.
You guys know how I learned to make a banana split?
I don't know.
I learned at Sunday school.
She's a 90s country fan, like I am.
Alright, doing some ground balls right now. Getting them live. It's going good. Starting to sprinkle a little bit, so we might not all get the hit. I'm in the last group, so it's okay though. We're gonna get some work in either way.
Happy Earth Day.
Happy Earth Day.
I know you're recording.
Alright, it's game time. Everybody's here. Band's playing right now. About to get going. It's gonna be crazy. Little game update right now. It's bottom of the 4th. We got an hour left. Game's going a little slow, but we're gonna pick it up. D-Max at the bat. And right now we're down 2-1. Let's go, Bill. You ready? I'm gonna get a J.O. All right, need 4 to win it right here. 9th inning. That ain't nothing. We can get that. We can get that. What do you think?
And Flash is ready to go.
Ready to go.
It's easy money.
All right, that's it for Charleston. This place was awesome, as always. I feel like I say the same thing after every video, but after every game, I'm just like, man, that was incredible. That was insane. That was so much fun. Could not have asked for a better weekend. This is great. Shout out to Charleston Dirty Birds for playing with us and playing banana ball. I know it was quite an adjustment for some, but the guys bought in and it was a lot of fun. And we got to play some good competitive banana ball. And that's all we want, you know what I'm saying? So, wrapping it up here this weekend. Right now, top of my head, I don't even know where we're going next. So, stay tuned for the next video. If you're here, thanks for watching. And go bananas, as always. Peace.
Even though you're someone worth keeping, I'll never know.